Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be reviewing this little tiny palette. It's a Makeup Geek palette and I got it at Target. It was the only, well, they had two of them, but this was the only kind they had, the only colors. It was just the one palette. It was $14.99. And like I said, it was the only one, so you didn't get to choose. Anyways, we're going to be testing it out today, and we are going to do the eye look that it is on the back. And it uses every color in here. This is the colors. And it starts right here. This purple one is Sensuous. Can you see Sensuous? And then Buffed. And then So Pale. And Creased. Creased is the brown one. I'm trying to look in the monitor and I always go the wrong way. Anyways, and it says on the back where you put them. See that picture right there? And it says, you know, they're numbered, and I figured out, okay, get in front of my face. There. Now you can see that they're numbered, and then the numbers are on the little picture. And that's how we're going to do it, just like it says. It doesn't give instructions. It just has the picture and then the list of them. And I got which ones were which. I just guessed at them by where they were on here. Obviously, So Pale is going to be that yellow one because it goes under the brow bone. So I'm like, okay, from there I can go. And that was number 3. So I figured it was 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how I figured it out. If that's wrong, it's wrong. We're going to do it that way anyways. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with my I Love, whatever this is called, I Love Color Eyeshadow Base by Essence. I feel like my cheeks are too something. Probably just too dry from this foundation. Sponge. Spread this around really well. Okay, the first one we're going to use is the So Pale. I'm going to use that, even though it doesn't say to do this. I'm just going to do this to set that I just put on. And I'm just going to put it all over. And then we're just going to do it how I like to do it. I'm going to start off with my crease color. And that is, or my transition color is number 2. Buffed, the orangey one, right there. It's very powdery though. That doesn't bother me. Okay, number 2, or the second thing I normally do is go in with the outer corner crease color. Where does one go? Oh, one goes on the purple on the lid with, okay, we're going to do the whole lid in this purple color. And then we'll go into the outer corner and add the brown. This has a nice little magnetic thing, but it keeps closing on me. Alright, now I'm going to go to the outer corner. I'm going to get a little smaller brush, and I'm going to use this, what color is this called? Creased. It's kind of a olive brown. Yeah, I would not have picked this color because it's not dark enough. we'll just kind of load it up here and see if we can darken it up. Yeah, it's getting better. I think I'm going to pull this into the crease too. That's not what's in the picture, but I think I need to darken up the crease a little bit more. So that's what I'm going to do. And since this is kind of so powdery, I'm just kind of losing the purple, so I'll have to go back in and add some more purple. Where did I do that brush? Oh, there it is. Maybe just dust it off a little. That helped some, just dusting it off. It's very, very powdery. Well, I like the colors and I like the blendability, but it's a little more work than I want to do. Alright, that's all I'm going to do for the shadow. Like I said, I like the colors. It's a little powdery. It's like once I dust it off again, kind of gone. But let's just finish the eye. Let's put on some liner. I'm going to use the Black Studio Tattoo Liner from Maybelline. I like a lot of Maybelline products, but their liners, I think their liners are, as far as drugstore goes, actually, as far as any of them go, I think they're one of the best. And I'm going to push line. In order to push line, you just put your little finger on top of your eyelid and you push gently till your eyelash turns up, and then you draw between your eyelashes. Now I'm going to take my flat brush. This is a Morphe 432. And I'm going to smudge this back and forth between the lashes just to spread it out. Now I'm going to go in with my Renaissance Flick and add a liquid line. Okay, I'm going to go off camera, do my lashes. I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the final look for our Makeup Geek Vivacious. That's the name of the palette, Vivacious, the Vivacious palette. I don't know. I like it okay. Is it worth $14.99? Maybe. I just don't really care that much for the colors. I like the purple and I like the peach, but I don't really like this greeny brown color here, and I don't think it has a dark enough color in there. This should be a darker, like a dark purple would be good. But anyways, it's very powdery, so if you don't like powdery, you might not like it. It blends. It blended really well. It's not patchy at all. The purple is showing up a lot better now, so I like it. I just wish there would have been a lot more colors to pick from. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up because I do like it. And it was reasonable, $14.99, so that would make it about $3.50 a color. I don't know. I don't know how much singles are. I never buy singles anymore. But I think it's, yeah, that's probably about right. $3.50 to $5 if you buy a single one, right? Other than Wet n Wild, which is 93 cents. But yeah, I like it. I think it turned out pretty good. Like I said, I would pick different colors if I had a choice. But that at my Target, there may be choices at other Targets. But at my Target, that was all there was. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!